Kamala Harris is an American politician, attorney, and the Vice President-elect of the United States. She was born on October 20, 1964 in Oakland, California. A member of the Democratic Party, she is set to assume office on January 20, 2021, alongside President-elect Joe Biden, having defeated incumbent President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence in the 2020 presidential election. Her mother, Shamala Gopalan, a biologist whose work on the progesterone receptor gene-stimulated work in breast cancer research, had arrived in the US from Tamil Nadu in India in 1958 as a 19-year-old graduate student in nutrition and endocrinology at the University of California. Berkeley Gopalan received her PhD in 1964. Her father, Donald J. Harris, is a Stanford University professor emeritus of economics who arrived in the US from British Jamaica. Along with her younger sister Maya, Harris lived in Berkeley, California briefly on Milvia Street in Central Berkeley, then a duplex on Bancroft Way in West Berkeley, an area often called the Flatlands, with a significant black population. As children, she and her sister visited their mother's family in Madras, now Chennai, several times. Her parents divorced when she was 7. Harris has said that when she and her sister visited their father in Palo Alto on weekends, other children in the neighborhood were not allowed to play with them because they were black. On November 7, 2020, CBC News interviewed Wanda Kagan, a high school friend of Kamala. Harris graduated from Howard University and the University of California, Hastings College of the Law. Harris graduated from Howard University with a degree in political science and economics. Harris married attorney Douglas Emhoff, who was at one time partner in charge at Venable LLP's Los Angeles office, on August 22, 2014 in Santa Barbara, California. Harris has served as the junior United States Senator from California since 2017. Harris will be the first Indian American, the first African American, and the first female vice president in US history, and thus the highest ranking female elected official in United States history. She began her career in the Alameda County District Attorney's Office before being recruited to the San Francisco District Attorney's Office and later the City Attorney of San Francisco's office. Harris ran for the 2020 Democratic presidential nomination and attracted national attention before ending her campaign on December 3, 2019. She was announced as Biden's running mate on August 11, 2020. On November 7, 2020, the race was called in favor of the Biden-Harris ticket. Harris's sister, Maya Harris, is a lawyer and MSNBC political analyst. Her brother-in-law, Tony West, is general counsel of Uber and a former United States Department of Justice senior official. As of August 2019, Harris and her husband had an estimated net worth of $5.8 million. In 2018, Harris was named the 2018 recipient of the ECOS Environmental Award for her leadership in environmental protection. Harris voted against Senator Bernie Sanders' amendment to reduce the size of the $740 billion National Defense Authorization Act for fiscal year 2021.